Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 87. If we start with this box, we're only missing a 7. For this box, we're missing 5, 8, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 5 here, so 9, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. For this top row, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 6 here, so this is our 4. 1 here, so 6, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4, and I don't see any help. So 2, 4, 2, 4. For this row, we're missing 3, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 3, 9. 9 here, so 3, 7, and no help here, 3, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 6 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this column, we're missing 3, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 4. No help here, 3, 4, 9, 3 here, so 4, 9. For this column, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so 2, 7. 2 and 7 here, so 5, 6. 2 and 7 here, so 5, 6. 5 and 7 here, so 2, 6. So now if we look, the only place the 7 can be in that column is here, and the only place the 2 can be is here. For this column, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 5. We've got 1, 4, and 5 here, so this is our 2. 1 and 4 here, so this is our 5. 4 here makes this our 1, 4. And we can get rid of this 4. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 3, 6. For this row now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. For this row, we're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 7, 9. That 7 makes this our 3, 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 3, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 3 and 5. I don't see any help. So 3, 5, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got 1 and 4 here, so this is our 6. I don't see any other help. So 1, 4, 1, 4. This 6 makes this our 5, 3, 5. That 3 makes this our 9, 4, 3. And that 5 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. For this box now, we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 1, 9 here, so 8, 9, and that 1 makes this our 4 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.